Well, I chose you in your practice because I like your more natural approach to healthcare, and I don't want to just give him prescription medication every time he has a little sickness. I want to try a couple alternative and more natural things for him. And every time I come, I don't think I've ever really had to wait, maybe a minute or two, but that is all.
Yeah, I like that.
It's great, especially, with the baby. Makes it so easy to know that I don't have to come and wait for 45 minutes with other screaming kids.
Sure. And I know you signed up for Hello Health so that you can reach us online.
Yes, it's great. It's really easy. Went in and logged right in and
That's nice.
got access to everything very quickly.
So next time if you need a house call, you just go in and
Yep.
put it in, and I will get it on my iPhone and call you back. All right.
Thanks.
Well, thank you so much. I appreciate it. And he is growing so well.
Yes.
Yeah.
Good doctor, huh?
Teething very well.